Oh my goodness, this is going to be the most special reveal ever. Hi my loves, welcome back. As you can see from the title of this video, I have a very, very special reveal and I just cannot believe I got this. Never in a million years did I think I would get this, and it is in this orange bag here. I basically am going to get straight into the reveal. Okay guys, are you ready? So in here, it's really heavy. May I present to you, may I welcome to our family. Dun, dun, dun. Ah! Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on a second. Hold on a sec. Okay, let me show you. This little munchkin. Oh, hello. I should just hold him a little bit more. Look. This little baby. Oh, are you okay? Are you okay, baby? I'll just hold him here. Okay, can you see him? Okay, so this little munchkin is our first little kitten. And let me tell you a little bit about him. Oh no, he's getting sleepy. Okay, well you can't predict kitten behavior, right? Oh, he's sleepy. Okay, well kittens sleep a lot. I'm a first time fur mummy to a cat. We've had a dog before, but never a cat. So he is a little ragdoll. He's a couple of months old. We just got him about a week ago, and his name is Chino. Okay, so I'm just gonna put him on my lap. My hair's all messy now. And let me just tell you a little bit about my sweet little fur baby. So basically, you know that the kids really wanted a dog. Remember in Hawaii how we played the beach game? If you haven't seen that video, it's so funny. We're playing this beach game in Hawaii because they wanted a dog. Anyway, to cut a long story short, we came back and they completely did a 360 and they're like, oh, Mummy, we really want a cat. Can we get a kitty? And so hubby and I were considering, it. And then we're like, okay, well, you guys do the research and you tell us what suits our needs, because I think it's really important to get a pet that suits your needs. And you know, we really wanted a little cat or kitten that was a little bit more affectionate, a bit more laid back. So we went to check out various shelters, various breeders, and you know, when the four of us, when we first saw him, we immediately fell in love. And so that's why this little one is now the newest member of our family. Oh my gosh, can I just say, having a kitten is like having a new baby. We as a whole family are just so not used to it. I feel like a first time mommy again. But you know what? He's just brought us so much joy. He sleeps most of the time now because he's still a kitten, but he's just beautiful and he's so, so special. Like I said, I never thought I would be a cat person, but for all you cat mamas out there, I totally understand. I mean, I love dogs too. We used to own a little Westie, a West Highland Terrier many years ago, and yeah, it's just so nice to have this little one. And it's really funny because I put him in the Hermes bag because when I was in my room cleaning the other day, I had my Hermes bag out and he immediately loved it. So I thought, okay, that's my boy. He loves Hermes too. Though I do have something small from Hermes to reveal after this. But I just wanted to show you this little boy. And I forgot to tell you how his name came about, Chino. So Miss S and I and Sunshine were all in our room, we're looking up cat names. And then I saw the name Latte and I'm like, okay, well, my favorite coffee is a cappuccino. Well, me and hubby's. And I thought, oh, Chino would be cute because since he's a baby, we can call him Baby Chino. Oh, he's so cute. I'm obsessed. So yeah, like any new parent, whether you have a new baby or a new niece or nephew, or in our case, a little new fur baby, I have been just trying to take pictures, and I've just discovered my love for my DSLR camera. It's been amazing just rediscovering my love of just taking photos. So this section of the video is kindly sponsored by Skillshare. I'm sure a lot of you have heard about them, but for all the OGs that follow me, I did actually partner with them a few years ago. And so when they reached out, even end of last year, I think, I'm so glad they did, because it's been really nice just like learning new skills. And the one that I took and I loved was by...
I'm Justin Bridges. I am a fashion and lifestyle photographer based in New York City. Today we're going to be talking about basic DSLR skills. We'll cover everything from exposure to how to fundamentally use the camera to get the image that you're looking for.
And it was basically for beginners. It's so easy, it's so relatable. You know how sometimes photography courses can be really complex? He just breaks it down so well, and I just learned things that about lighting, aperture, speed and everything, but put in layman's terms. And so I really love that. And the thing about Skillshare is that it's such a great online platform, and it's got seriously thousands and thousands of classes. So the one that I did was a DSLR one, but in the past I've done one on iPhone photography, because let's face it, we all use our iPhones so much nowadays. I've done one on calligraphy. So it doesn't matter what you love. I just think it's a really nice creative outlet, whether you want to learn a new skill in illustration, or I saw one on interior design, which I'm really interested in as well. Oh, and for those of you that may want to get into YouTube, I do get asked this question quite a lot. Mel, how do you start a YouTube channel? I really recommend the one by Marques Brownlee. He's like the #1 tech YouTuber in the world. I wish when I started there was courses like this, but there wasn't. It doesn't matter what genre you're in. Everything that he said in that video, like, I'm always wanting to learn, to grow and everything. And I'm so glad so many of you can see some of the differences in my videos, because I've just learned that from watching his video too. So those two in particular, the DSLR one and the one by Marques, I've really loved that I've done this year. But as you can see, I've got all these courses saved that I want to do. And the best thing is that you don't need to like, oh, I need to spend 4 hours doing this and that's it. You can do it in your own time, at your own pace and everything. And so what's really great about Skillshare is that if you go on their site, they only actually give 7 days, like a free trial. But for all our fam bam, the link below, my dedicated Mel in Melbourne link, you can get 1 month of Skillshare for free. So just try it out, see what you think, but they have everything on there. I just think it's great. Doesn't matter what age you are, to always learn new skills or brush up on new skills, or just something as a creative outlet. They've got so many different courses, and I even saw one on cat photography. Oh, hello. I think he woke up. And then, oops, sorry guys, he just woke up. I just put him in the little bed here. So I do have one more reveal to show you, which is in this bag, but it's only something very little, but it goes with the whole theme of my little baby so well. And let me show you what it is. And so there is an Hermes unboxing, is this. And guys, I have been wanting this and I finally found it. And again, it's really funny how things work out in terms of timing and everything like that. And this piece, again, is not new. You know, I'm a huge vintage lover. And in here is actually a pair of vintage Hermes earrings. And what makes this so special, and I was looking for this one, but I could never find one in really good condition. It is a pair of these enamel earrings. Now, excuse my pronunciation, but I think it's Hermes cloisonné earrings. And I collect these. I've collected these for years now. And I should actually, are you guys interested in seeing my collection of these? I have all different colors and everything. But this one here, and I'll show a close up, has a little tiger on it. And how fitting is that? Actually, let me put one on for you just to show you. And it's just so perfect because I have my own little tiger, my own little chino. And this is just beautiful because look at the pop of blue. And it's got a tiger on there and I just love it. I love vintage earrings. I feel like I love vintage Chanel earrings more than their current versions. But there's just something so special about these earrings. I always get compliments whenever I wear these earrings because they're like, oh, where's that from? And I'm like, they're vintage Hermes. So definitely do check out some of the vintage Hermes earrings. People don't know about this design that much, and they come in this shape here, which I don't even know what you call it, but you know, it's a little bit more angular, or they come in circular versions. And I love it. So I thought, you know, cat theme was so cute. I am so glad I found these, and I'm so especially glad to welcome little Chino into our family. He's added so much joy and added so much life into the family. Now, time for a little bit of show and tell. And tell me what you think, because this is with my DSLR camera, and I just use my Canon 80D. And let me just show you. So the first one is a picture of him playing, and I really love this shot because it's a bit of an action shot. So I learned how to take things, you know, whether it's a pet or a person is moving really quick, there's different speeds that you should take. So I love this one because it's just really natural. He loves his scratching post. And then the next one was a little bit more moodier. He was just kind of sitting there near our couch facing the window. And I love this little shot of him. He just looks so cute and so handsome. And then this one was such a funny one. I actually caught him in the middle of a yawn. He kind of looks like he's poking his tongue out. And I would not have captured that if I didn't have the DSLR, because I had to really increase my shutter speed, and it captured it perfectly. He's got his cute little tongue sticking out, and isn't he gorgeous? And then this one here, of course, I had to capture one with his beautiful big blue eyes. One thing about rag dolls is that all of them have big blue eyes. That's how you know they're a purebred. There's different colors that they have, but you know what? I'm learning a lot about rag dolls and all the different colors and all the different patterns they come in. But yeah, so far he's been so affectionate, but as kittens are, pretty playful as well. So those are the few shots that I want to show as a proud mummy. This video, I know it's a little bit different to my usual videos, but guys, of course I love bags and everything like that, but this has brought all our family so much joy, and that is it. Oh, okay, he came back to mummy. Do you want to say bye? Do you want to say bye? Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? I think you're a sleepy boy. I think he's a little bit sleepy. So thank you so much for watching. I would love to know, do you own a cat or a dog? Please comment below the name of your little fur baby. I would love to know. Now, I don't know if you want to see Chino more on my channel, but I'm obsessed. I'm taking more pictures of him, but it's really fun to improve my photography skills. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked my most special unboxing ever, please give this video a thumbs up. And to celebrate little Chino's arrival, stay tuned for my next video because I will have a little giveaway for you as well. I've been doing more giveaways because, I don't know, I just love giving back, and I just feel so grateful and so happy to have you guys as my family, and now we've increased our little family. So have a wonderful day or night, guys, and don't forget to click my link below to get your free 1-month trial, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Do you want to say bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you guys.
This is Chino purring. Oh. Baby Chino. Wakey, wakey. It's time for dinner, darling. He's dead asleep. Say, go away, mommy. I want to sleep.